Hello friends, come gather round for lessons on happy ground. With kindness in our hearts, we'll find our way and practice being brave every day. They're Rosado Little Lessons, fun adventures for our friends.
Hello friends, I'm Miss Amy. Today we'll journey into the vibrant lands of Puzzle Grove, where the air is filled with the scent of eucalyptus leaves and the sound of rustling branches. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to solve a mystery in a forest maze? Join me, and let's meet our little friend who's about to discover just that, Eddie the Echidna. In the heart of Puzzle Grove, Eddie the Echidna loved the feeling of damp leaves under his tiny feet and the way blossoms tickled his nose. He spent his days exploring curly vines and climbing over smooth stones. "Oh, what mysteries will I uncover today?" he often wondered aloud to the swaying ferns. Eddie adored the grove's winding paths and the scent of nearby flowering bushes that filled his senses with excitement. But one day, as Eddie wandered deeper, he realized he didn't know which way to go. The maze-like paths twisted and turned until his heart began to thump like the gentle drumming of raindrops on leaves. His quills prickled with unease, feeling heavier by the moment. What if he never found his way out? The world felt suddenly big, his small form enveloped in uncertainty. Eddie's first instinct was to follow the sound of the wind, thinking it might lead him to the forest's edge. He stepped carefully over mossy rocks, listening to the breeze that whispered through the trees. But as he followed, the paths only grew more tangled, hiding the way further. His nose twitched as he took in the damp earth scent, realizing he couldn't rely on the wind alone. With a sigh, he sat quietly, feeling the weight of his mistake settle like a soft mist around him. Just then, a fluttering presence caught his attention. It was Bella the butterfly, always darting from flower to flower, never staying still. "Why, you're moving so fast, Bella," Eddie exclaimed as she circled around his head. "Oh, I never stop to think," giggled Bella, her wings shimmering in the dappled sunlight. "I just follow the flowers that call to me, one petal at a time." Her words danced in Eddie's mind, nudging a thought. Perhaps he needed to focus on each step rather than the whole path. With renewed determination, Eddie tried again. This time, he paused to listen to the forest's symphony, the chirps, creaks, and rustles that made up Puzzle Grove's melody. He took one small step, then another, following the rhythm of nature itself. His paws found the familiar textures, the smooth bark, the cool patches of moss, and he let these guide him. Each step felt more confident than the last, until Eddie found himself at a fork in the path, each direction whispering a different promise. At that moment, he remembered Bella's carefree dance and heard the forest's gentle guidance louder than ever. Eddie realized he was no longer lost, but wandering purposefully. The trees parted, revealing the exit to the grove, where the sun hung low like a lantern in the sky. He felt light, as if the world itself had opened up for him. Eddie knew he had changed inside, no longer anxious, but curious about what lay ahead. Eddie learned that day that life's challenges often untangle when we take things one step at a time. And friends, I think we all discover our way by focusing on the journey, step by step. Thank you so much for listening today, friends. I am Miss Amy, and remember, here at Rosado Little Lessons, every little story carries a big lesson. Until next time, wander, listen, and discover.
That's all for our story today. Hope you'll use what you learned when you play. Come back for more lessons so true. Rosado Little Lessons for you. Come back next time, hear our call. Rosado Little Lessons for all.